sensor. Busy. Oh, Colin. Hey. Oh, go there. Ito na pinti kaya. Ahí está. Ready. Good one, I think. Up you go, boy. Tangled again? Yup. Boy, look at this. Right. Boy has his legs crossed. You see that? Look at him. Look at him. Singing or something. Look at him crossing the legs again. Got it. Smacked it. First fish here. Nice. Whoops. Got it. Another one. Ooh, so close. Got him. That was like a sunfish. It is a sunfish. Oh, he got tangled in the back.
Frogs disappear when you got a bite?
Huh?
Do your frogs disappear when you got a bite?
No, they'll jump after it.
Let me see. What kind is that?
It's called a underhand lefty to the right cast.
Let me see that. So get a bite. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Got him. Oh, he came off.
2, 1.
He came off. It was a 10 pounder.
Oh, what is that? Spot. 10 pounder there.
Uh-huh. That's my frog. Oh, he's over here. Oh, there's two over here. The two bass. Yep. Another one.
Immortal. Go back to your frog.
Yeah, get it out.
Nope. This is your frog, huh?
Yeah, that's my frog.
Then get it out, boy.
Want to try?
No.
Come on. And with your luck, you come out. Must have put a rock over there. You see what's put a rock?
A ver. Ahí está, mira.
How? With the cross?
Yes. Huh? Oh, I think that was perfect, but close to the bang dang. Move it right here. Ahí. That one's perfect. Oh, it's a fish like right here.
Hey, what's the lion?
Yeah.
Dang, they put it down.
Nothing. Why is it going down? It's, oh my gosh. Little monkey doesn't want to take it. Right here. Oh, got it. Oh, it's a decent size sunfish. Look at that. Very bright. Wow. Man, we should keep some in our aquarium.
Okay. You've been in the sand.
Oops. That's beautiful.
Gotta go like a fish.
It's in a backflip.
What is this rock? Perfectly square.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your bobber at?
That one.
I'm about to put it back there.
Oh, he came off. Fish there, though.
What size are you using?
I'm using the 6. Got him. Oh, he came off. He was a decent size. No, I think the worm's falling off. Oh, got him. Look at that spider right there. Wait. All over there. Close. We got one. Got it. Oh. No. Got him. Yep. A small bluegill. Barely hooked on the lip.
Oh, that's a good spot. Oh, watch out.
Look at mine, look at mine. Got him. It's a small one. Oh, don't tell me he's...
He did?
No, he actually side hooked him. Oh no,
He swallowed the whole hook. Small fish swallowed the whole hook.
Really?
Yeah. Huh?
That one doesn't have like a barcode?
No.